All right, we have the unboxing here of the Buzz Around LX. This is the luxury model. So again, this is the unboxing of the Buzz Around LX, and this is the luxury model. So when you get your scooter, it's going to come in a box pretty big like this. It'll probably be on a pallet. Right now the pallet is off from the bottom, but this is what your box would look like. So the first thing you do is you get yourself a good knife and cut these 4 yellow straps off. And the next thing I would do is you can just grab it here and yank it open like this. Now be careful, these are copper staples and they will cut your arms. There's 3 of them here, so be really careful when you open your box that you don't cut your arm. Open the box like this, and when you're looking inside the box, you will see a bunch of stuffing. So we'll take some of that stuffing out. You'll have a flag in there, as you can see. We'll put that over here. Inside the box over here, I can see there's a seat. So you would pull, actually the arms are in the corner here. So the arms, you can see the arms. We'll take the arms out. And now I can still see the seat. So the seat will come straight up like this out of your box, okay? And we'll put the seat on the ground here. And then we're going to, a little bit of stuffing, cardboard. Inside the box right here will be some accessory, probably your charger. Your basket is here. And what else we have here? So now we have in here, what you might want to do is when you get this box like this, instead of having to pick up the scooter like this, it's going to be really heavy. What I usually do is this. Watch. Cut the box right here. Cut the box right there. Look at this. Now we're working smart again. So what do we have here? So here we have the headrest. And here you have what's called the scooter. You have the scooter in here, but the tiller is down and it's not coming up. You can see this is called the driving apparatus. So what you have to do with that is take this stuffing that's around it, okay? And right here, I'm going to show you, right on the side right there, there's a little lever. You can see it. I'm grabbing it here. So when it's down like this, right around your handle, push that lever up, and you can see your tiller going up. Now you have some more stuff in here. And now what we have here is the 2 batteries. There's one battery here. Well, there's the other battery, folks. There's one battery here, and they're sitting in this little casing here. They're sitting in this little box like that, okay? This is the other battery. We're going to put it on the ground here. Take the rest of the stuff out. We're going to take this off. I like to rip stuff off. All right, so now I've got most of the stuffing out. So this stuff here in the bottom is glued to the box. So what I would do at this point is grab the rear end right here like this and go up and out. Because if you go sideways, it's not going to come out. But if you go up and out, it's going to go over this little, as you can see, it'll go over this little thing, and there's another one in here. So now we've got the scooter out. And at this time, we'll take a break for a second. We're going to clear this box, and we'll be right back with you. All right, folks, we're back. We cleared all the boxes from around here so you can see better. All right, so now you've got all the parts, and I took all the plastics off all the parts. I don't think you need to see me do that. I think you can handle that part pretty good. So we've got the scooter here. So when you get it out of the box like we did earlier, a couple things. Right now, you can see the scooter is in gear. So if you want to roll this scooter before you put the batteries in, there's a yellow lever here, and you can just roll it like this once you push the lever, okay? Once you're done rolling it, put it back in gear, because it's always got to be in gear when you drive with the batteries and everything. Couple things, when you get the scooter out of the box, and I showed you earlier, this is the little lever right here, and when you're in the box, you just push the lever and it comes up by itself. This is, as I said, this is a luxury model. That's why it has all this fancy stuff. But you notice how the wheel is locked. So when you get it out of the box, you're going to have to go right here. There's a little lever, you turn it, and now look at that. Okay, this is just for transportation, or when you take your scooter apart and you want to lock the front wheel, you just turn this lever one way or the other somehow. Maybe it has to be straight. There we go. And that locks the wheel. When you turn it out, it springs out and it unlocks your wheel. So be careful with that. Also, when you get your scooter, push your light down so it faces the ground. You have an LED light. The next thing I would recommend you do is your seat post. So take your seat post right here, and it has a bolt in here, so don't lose your parts. There's your seat post. And you notice your seat post has 3 holes, so you can go to the first hole, second hole, third hole. I'm doing it backward. This will be the low position. Most people want to be at the low position, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pin at the low position, and you're going to put your pin in there. Okay, I put it in from the wrong side. There we go. And now I'm just going to tighten it by hand for now. Okay, so we don't have to use tools. So now you've got the seat post. Next thing I would do is I would put the batteries in. So you want to put the battery, the first battery in, you want to put, well, let's just see. Let's put this one in here. It looks like it would go there. I guess it really doesn't it really doesn't matter with this scooter which battery you put in first. So you put the 2 batteries in the slot, and they should automatically be connected. Okay, the next thing I would do is I would take your basket, and with this scooter, in the basket there's a little cell phone holder. Okay, so there's a little cell phone holder that comes with this in the basket. I would put the basket in front, and then I would probably put the seat on. So you're going to bring your seat, fold it up like this. Now there's a little bit of there's a rubber protector. You don't need that. You don't need that. Okay, so just the male piece right into the hole, and then flip it up, and it's already locked. Push your seat back. What I would do next, put the headrest on, slide it in here, hold the little button on there's a little notch here, hold it down till you go to wherever position you want it. I'm going to leave it fairly high. Then you're going to take your arms. You have a right arm and a left arm, so it's not hard to figure out which one goes where. This one goes here. The arms go under the seat. There's a pole here, but when you're going to put the arms in, you notice it won't go in. You have to loosen up this knob right here enough so the arm, and you'll feel, there we go. And then put it in, and you can put the arms in as wide as you want. I'm going to bring it all the way against the seat, and then you're going to tighten up this knob right here, because if you don't, your arm will be loose. So I'm going to tighten it up, and now we have no more play. So right arm is on. Same thing with the left arm. We're going to loosen up the knob until I can slide this in. There we go. So now we've got pretty much the scooter ready to go. In this, you have a flag that comes with your scooter, and the flag, a lot of people didn't realize this, but there's a spot right here where my finger is going in. That's where your flag goes, folks. If you don't want it that long, just put this part in there if you don't want it that long, okay? But there's your flag. I'll leave that in there so we don't lose it. Let's put the scooter back this way. The reason I'm moving it this way is because I don't have the keys in it yet. And the last thing you have left is this box right here with your charger. So we're going to open the box and see what's in here. All right, so your owner's manual is in the box. Your charger is in the box. look what we have here. Your keys are in the box. So your keys are in this box right here. And also in this box, you have blue. So everything that's red on the scooter, the fenders, the front, all the way around here, you can change it to blue. You get two colors with this scooter, okay? I'm gonna leave this in the box. I'm gonna pull the keys out. You have two keys, and they come with a nice keychain. And the second key is by itself. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't wanna lose that key, I'm gonna tie up that key to the same for now. And of course, I don't have my glasses on, so, but we'll take a chance here. I can still see enough, I think. There we go. All you have to do now, folks, put the key, turn the key to the right, and all of a sudden the lights are coming on, the batteries are full, and if I push this forward, there we go. If I push it reverse, there we go. All right, folks. This is the unboxing of the Buzz Around LX. This is the luxury model, the Buzz Around LX scooter luxury model unboxing. Hopefully this video helped you. And if you like what you see, give us a call. We'll be glad to work with you. Thank you. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.